Do you know what landform is and the different types of it? Well, in this video, I will explain the different types of landforms and the types of plate boundaries. Mountains, volcanoes, ridges, and valleys are some examples of landforms on Earth. But people also ask, how do landforms develop? Or how do landforms change over time? Last time, I conducted a short interview and asked them about how they think mountains, volcanoes, ridges, and valleys are formed.
Ko ang gumawa sa atin ng bulkan at bundok at iba pa ang ating Panginoon. Dapat ating alagaan.
Based on what I have learned, there are factors that causes different types of landforms, and this is what we call the plate boundaries. There are three types of plate boundaries: the convergent plate boundary, the divergent plate boundary, and the transform plate boundary. First, the convergent plate boundary. Plates move towards each other. This boundary is often sits mountain and major volcanoes such as Mount Fuji in Japan. Second, the divergent plate boundary. Plates move apart from each other. Mid-Atlantic Ridge and Rift Valleys are good examples of this. Third, the transform plate boundary. Plates slides past each other. This boundary cuts through California, the well-known San Andreas Fault. Understanding the surface of the Earth can help us understand our planet's uniqueness. So that is why we should protect and preserve the different types of landforms on Earth and the things around us for the future generations.